In March 2025, Huawei unveiled the Pura X, a foldable smartphone that introduces a distinctive design by folding horizontally, resulting in a wider form factor compared to traditional clamshell devices. When unfolded, it reveals a 6.3-inch LTPO OLED main display with a 16:10 aspect ratio and a resolution of 1320 by 2120 pixels, offering a tablet-like viewing experience. The exterior features a 3.5-inch square cover screen with a resolution of 980 by 980 pixels, facilitating essential functions without opening the device. The Pura X operates on Huawei's HarmonyOS 5.0, marking a departure from Android and integrating the Harmony Intelligence AI assistant, powered by Huawei's Panga model and enhanced by DeepSeek AI. Internally, it is equipped with the Kirin 9020 chipset, up to 16 GB of RAM, and storage options reaching 1 TB. The device boasts a versatile quad-camera system, including a 50MP primary sensor, a 40MP ultra-wide lens, an 8MP telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom, and a 1.5MP multispectral sensor for accurate color reproduction. A 10.7MP front-facing camera is also present for selfies and video calls. Powering the Pura X is a 4,720 mAh battery supporting 66W wired and 40W wireless charging. Initially launched in China with a starting price of approximately $1,037, the Pura X exemplifies Huawei's commitment to innovative design and self-reliant technology development.